Morning. I'm still in bed, and my nose just started to run. Oh, God. I don't know if you can hear. I'm rubbing my nose. I'm just making a mess now all over my fingers. Let me just get a tissue. Oh, God. This box is almost empty. No, I still can't breathe through that right side. It's getting really tickly though. It feels like it's gonna be one of those days. Oh, God, I think I'm gonna sneeze. Oh, God. I need another tissue. I really loosened up some of the congestion. Oh my God. I'm gonna be like this all day. Oh, I wish I could just stay in bed. Oh